Hello, and welcome to today's Canvas for Instructors Guide tutorial. Today we're going to continue our video series in the quarter-to-quarter transition process, where we're going to go ahead and start a new course. Now, one of the things that may happen this quarter is you find yourself teaching a new course that you don't have a sandbox for, and you need to start somewhere. You need to start with a layout. Now, to start this, we need to start a new course. So we're going to go ahead, go over here and click on the Start a New Course button. Go ahead and title this the name of your course. So one of the things to actually emphasize here is state what quarter it is. Now for me, since I don't know what quarter I'm teaching yet, I'm just going to go ahead and say quarter number dash sandbox. And then I'm going to go call it the course name dash my last name. And again, remember that this would be your course name or the course or the name of the course that you will be teaching. I'm then going to go ahead and copy this course name and put it as the short name. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Create Course. Once this process is done, as you can see, we're stuck with a blank canvas. This is where a lot of you found yourselves at the beginning of the term. Hey, I have a new canvas. Where do I even begin? So don't worry. There is a new process to go ahead and get you a blueprint to get you started with all the information that you would need. But in order to do that, we have to go to a brand new place called Canvas Commons. Canvas Commons is just a database of everything that teachers have created and uploaded. It's just a local database of courses, pages, assignments, quizzes, any information that is out there. And as we can see, there's roughly 163,000 results ranging from different areas, different grades, different programs as well, and different course subjects. However, for Silver Falls, all we now have to do is type in SFSD, and you'll see all of the courses that I've created for teaching and learning or for Canvas and for technology that allows you just to go ahead and click into one of these buttons and go ahead and import it into your course. So if you're teaching at the high school, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click on the high school template. I'm going to click Import, and then I'm going to go ahead and look for the sandbox that I just created, which as we can see is Q number or quarter number, sandbox, course name, and my last name. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that number or that option. If there's any other sandbox courses that you have created, you can also go ahead and click into that course as well. But we're just going to go ahead and focus on the one course. Scrolling down, there'll now be a blue button that says Import into Course. Click on that. As you can see, we are now notified by a green bar that says, hey, you've successfully started the import. It may take a while though. And the reason why that this is important to note is that some of these courses may be big. If you have a teacher that you're wanting their course and they go ahead and upload it to Canvas Commons and then you want to download it, but it's an 18-week course or a 10-week course, well, it may be some time to go ahead and download that. But let's go ahead and see if it's already downloaded. I'm going to go ahead, go to Courses. I'm going to click on my Canvas course. As we can see, hey, there we go. There's the template with all the buttons that if I go ahead and click on this, it'll go ahead and bring me there. It has all the modules, all the pre-settings that I need for navigation. As we can see, we just want students to see the home, syllabus, modules, grades. Announcements is unhidden, so if you want to go ahead and unhide that, you can go ahead. But otherwise, that's what the template is. One thing to go ahead and change right away as soon as you get this course is to scroll down to your Live Meets link. Now, if you're at the high school, highlight this. If you're at a middle school where you have buttons, go ahead and click on it. Go up to the link to URL and make sure to change this last name to your school's acronym, which may be SMS or SHS. For me, it's going to be SHS. So I'm going to go SHS Aiden Barr because I share a last name with my mom and I don't want students coming to my course when they mean to go to her course. And make sure to click Update Link and then click Save. And just like that, you're already going. You already have a foot in the door of the process that you want to go ahead and start with. So, congratulations. You have successfully imported a Canvas template into your Sandbox course for the quarter transition from Canvas Commons. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the tech department or the Teaching and Learning so that we can assist you in this transition process and make your lives easier, as we know that you guys want to have the best for our students. Have a great day.